Hello, I'm Chris Schneck. I'm our Business Development Manager and EMEA Regional Sales Manager at Grace Technologies, a proud member of Rockwell Automation's Technology Partner Program. As a trusted partner, Grace Technologies collaborates very closely with Rockwell Automation to bring to the market advanced electrical safety devices and condition and predictive-based monitoring solutions that enhance industrial maintenance practices. At Grace Technologies, we place great importance on the seamless integration of our solutions with Rockwell Automation's advanced control architectures. One prime example of this is our GracePort panel interface connectors. These solutions provide through-the-door data access and connectivity to a programmable logic controller, or a PLC, or any component that lives inside of an electrical control cabinet. By leveraging this connectivity, our customers can streamline their operations and maximize their efficiency. In addition to our GracePort panel interface connectors, our permanent electrical safety devices, or PESDs, and our GraceSense condition and predictive maintenance solution offer enhanced safety and enable predictive maintenance in industrial environments. These solutions empower our mutual customers to greatly reduce unplanned downtime, optimize productivity, and ensure safety and longevity of their critical assets. With a strong focus on diverse industries that include oil and gas, manufacturing, and renewable energy, Grace Technologies and Rockwell Automation address critical applications. Together, our main goal is to make industrial operations more efficient, safer, and more profitable.